With SSL.com's eSigner service and CodeSignTool command line utility, you can use your SSL.com user credentials to sign code from any internet-connected computer. CodeSignTool is a cross-platform utility that can be used for Microsoft Authenticode and Java code signing. Code does not travel over the wire for signing, maintaining privacy and improving efficiency when signing large files. Before getting started, you will need an SSL.com customer account and an eSigner enrolled EV code signing certificate. If you'd like to start using CodeSignTool but don't have an account and certificate yet, please read the instructions linked to in the video description. So let's get started. First, download CodeSignTool from the download links shown on screen and linked in the video description and unzip the file. Note that the Windows version includes Java Runtime, but the Linux and Mac OS version requires Java Runtime to be installed on your computer. A note of caution: all code signing examples shown in this video were made using an SSL.com sandbox testing account that does not use real, publicly trusted EV code signing certificates. Because the CodeSignTool command requires you to include sensitive credentials related to your account and certificate, users are strongly encouraged to store these credentials as encrypted secrets in their build tools so they will not be directly revealed in build scripts and logs. We'll be working from the command line on Windows, but the command syntax is the same on Linux and Mac OS. Open a terminal and navigate to the top-level directory in the unzipped CodeSignTool folder. Note that this directory includes a Windows batch file and a shell script for Linux and Mac OS use. Enter a command like the following to sign a file, including your SSL.com username and password, plus the path to the file to be signed and an optional output directory. If you omit the output directory, the input file will be overwritten with the signed file. Note that if your password contains special characters, you should enclose it in quotes. After entering the command, you will be prompted for a 6-digit OTP from your two-factor authentication app. After entering the OTP, you should see a message that your file was successfully signed. You can then check the file to confirm that the signature is present and valid. Note that if you have multiple EV code signing certificates associated with your account, you will have to specify the credential ID of the certificate you want to sign with. You can use the Get Credential IDs command to list credential IDs associated with an account. The account we're using in this tutorial has only one certificate, so it only has one credential ID. Check information about a credential ID with the Credential Info command. Once you've identified a credential ID to use, you can include it as a parameter in your sign command. You can skip manual OTP entry by including the TOTP secret shown in your SSL.com account when you view your QR code as a parameter. This is useful for including code signing and automated build pipelines. Again, please store this secret value and your login credentials as encrypted secrets in your build tool. If you're signing an MSI installer, you can include an optional program name parameter to supply a name that will be shown during installation. After signing, we can see that the installer shows both the program name we entered and the company name from the code signing certificate. You can use the batch sign command to sign multiple files with one command and OTP code by supplying input and output directory paths. Here we're going to sign these 4 sorted files, but the input directory may contain up to 100 files to be signed. As with the sign command, you may include a credential ID, a program name, and a TOTP secret when batch signing. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful. For complete information on using CodeSignTool, please read the CodeSignTool command guide at the URL shown on the screen and linked to in the video description.